Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Digimas channel, your to-go source for digital marketing insight and strategies. I'm your host, Amadi Godknows. Today, we have got a topic that is near and dear to every marketer's heart, talking about email marketing return on investment. In this video, we are diving deep into the strategies that can help you maximize the return on investment of your email marketing campaigns. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, there is something you have to learn from today's video. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, please ensure you hit that subscription button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest marketing tips and tricks on this channel. Alright, let's get started. First thing first is to understand what email marketing return on investment is all about and why it matters in digital marketing world. ROI measures the profitability of your email marketing campaigns. Let me just give you what it is in a simple term. It's a ratio of profit generated from your campaigns compared to the cost of running your campaigns. Another person may be wondering, why does email marketing return on investment matter? Well, let me tell you that return on investment evaluates the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts, allocate resources wisely, and ultimately achieve your business marketing goals. According to email marketing statistics, the average return on investment through email marketing strategy is $36 for every $1 spent. What that means is that in every $1 you spent in return on investment email marketing strategy, you're going to make $36 out of that $1 you have spent. The report further stated that of all the email marketing campaigns sent, targeted emails and leaked segmented emails drive the most effective email marketing return on investment results. With these statistics, you will agree with me that return on investment is a way to go for better conversions when it comes to email marketing strategies. Now, let's explain some strategies that can help you maximize the email marketing return on investment. Strategy number one is you segmenting your email list to enable you send tailored content to different groups. This personalization boosts engagement and conversion rates. Remember, the statistical report stated that majority of email marketing return on investment were derived from segmented and targeted email lists. That is to tell you that segmentation is a crucial role in this strategy to enable you send targeted message to targeted people and in return generate better conversions for you. Therefore, focus on building and maintaining quality email lists and not quantity. This is because it's better to have small engaged email lists than large disengaged email lists. Regularly conduct A/B testing to optimize email elements like subject lines, visuals, and call to actions. This is to enable you make data-driven decisions that will lead to higher return on investment. But if you don't know how to conduct A/B testing in your email inbox, you can go and watch this video here to learn how to do that right away. Moving on, you need to implement marketing automation strategy to send timely and relevant messages to your subscribers. This helps you save time and increase conversion opportunities. Constantly analyze these campaigns to identify what works and what does not work to make data-driven decisions for better improvements. In order to effectively execute the discussed strategy in this video, tools like Lula Analytics, CAF, Google Analytics, His Metrics, or Planu will be required to streamline your effort and provide valuable insights into this strategy for you. I will conclude by saying achieving a high email marketing return on investment takes time and continuous improvement. So don't be discouraged by setbacks. There are opportunities to learn and grow your strategy. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow marketers and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are new here, hit the subscription button and join our email marketing community. Thank you for tuning in today's video. Keep these strategies in mind as you plan and execute your email marketing campaigns. Your return on investment will thank you for taking this first step. Until next time, here is to successful email marketing and remarkable return on investment achievers. GK Digimas channel loves you all. See you in the next video. Bye.